of Ossining to unlock those doors.
Unlock the doors! Unlock the doors!
Unlock the doors! Unlock the doors! Unlock the doors! Unlock the doors! Unlock the doors! Unlock the doors!
Now we built this building back in 1921, and we have maintained it ever since. And we have had every town supervisor on our side for the past almost 100 years. We want to continue to maintain the building, to correct whatever issues have been brought up, and we want to get in the building to do those repairs. And so we have asked formally in writing the town supervisor to grant us the permission to open up a permit and get those issues resolved. We have a code enforcement specialist here that can give you some more information about those issues. This is Mark.